One of the areas we have identified as an issue for a lot of consumers is that they don't understand their rights and their obligations and the process when they cannot repay their debt, in terms of what the credit provider's rights are and how those credit providers' rights can affect them. For example, a lot of consumers don't know that once they are in arrears with 20 days, the credit provider has the right to issue what we call a Section 129 notice. That notice informs the consumer to go speak to the credit provider about how they can work together to bring the payments up to date. If a consumer does not respond to that letter, the next step is for the credit provider to issue a notice that they will take the matter to court or they will hand it over to the legal process. That's when then they can get a court order either to get the money from your salary, or if there was an asset involved like a house and a car, either to auction or repossess it. So it's quite important that consumers understand that process, what their rights are, what their obligations are, and we assist with explaining that process to consumers. And where they have to negotiate with the credit provider on the Section 129 issue, we are able to provide them with assistance on how to draw up a budget, an income and expenditure statement, and how to make a reasonable offer to the credit provider.